So I took this and this and this and made this. Here's my normal photo and here's my photo in the beach and here's my photo in front of the Eiffel Tower. Well, since Nat died in the endgame, I decided to transfer her to Hogwarts and she got Gryffindor. So all these images were created using the Gemini 2.5 Flash, aka the Nano Banana, and without even paying a single penny. If you want to know how, then stick till the end, as I am also going to show you some use cases on how you can use this new image generator for your own business. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your automation sensei, and here I teach you how to use AI to not only make your life easier but also help you boost your business. This channel is all about smart ways to use AI. If you are just as lazy as me and want to get the most out of it, then consider subscribing to the channel, and let's start with the video. So Nano Banana is the latest image generator launched by Google, which comes with the new Gemini Flash 2.5. And it comes with a ton of amazing features. And number one is that it allows you to keep the look of your characters consistent across the image. Here are a few images that I created using Nano Banana. And as you can see that the face and other elements of this character are consistent across all the images. The character consistency isn't just limited to the face and the body of the character. You can also change the costume of your characters and the locations. Here are a few examples of the same image and character. Now, this feature is amazing for creating social media ads, animated videos, or even create amazing and engaging movies. Just create the images with Nano Banana and convert the image to videos using any AI image to video generator, and you are good to go. Now here is a scary and amazing feature. Nano Banana is a great tool that allows you to blend multiple images together to give you some of the most bizarre images. Well, here's an example of Ronaldo. Now here is a Christmas cap and here's a cool guitar. So now Ronaldo is kicking the soccer ball while wearing the Christmas cap and playing the guitar alongside. Just think of how many different things you can blend in together to create either the most bizarre or the most creepy photo. Just like ChatGPT 5 comes with the improved thinking model that remembers everything you said to it, we're talking about the memory. Let me show you something. Here's an image of a living room. Let's add a couch to this. I'm thinking of adding a painting to the wall. Wow. Let's change the color of the wall. Perfect. So you must have noticed that Nano Banana has kept everything same and it kept on perfectly adding new elements as I instructed it. This is a game changer for interior designers, as they don't have to manually edit every photo. They can just ask the AI and the task will be done for them. Alright, so to use Google's Nano Banana for free, you need to come to this website called LM Arena. Now here we'll go to this option that says Battle, and over there we'll click on the direct chat option. So we have a default model set here, but we will set it to Gemini Flash 2.5 Nano Banana, and we will be able to use Google's Nano Banana for completely free. And all set. One of the best thing of Google's Nano Banana is that you don't need to be a master prompt engineer to generate the best output. You can literally write the most normal tone prompt and it will generate the best output as you want from it. But although Nano Banana may not need a perfect prompt to generate the right output, but other tools may ask. And if you don't want to learn prompt engineering from scratch, I have a better option for you. You can check out Promptimize AI, which is a free AI tool that can enhance your 10 prompts for free every day. The best part is that you don't need to copy and paste your prompt to a different tool or website. Check out this link in the description to check out Promptimize AI, and if you sign up with my link, you will get an exclusive 50% off on their paid plans. Check out Promptimize AI now. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, as next I'm going to cover more about Nano Banana in the upcoming videos. And do you know you can automate the new ChatGPT 5 to bring you news around the world without you even having to touch a single button? Well, check out this video to know and 9 other insane business use cases of ChatGPT, and see you there.